Hi guys, today we're doing a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder oil change. So I'm gonna put the ramp on the wheels. Going to flip and run it on the ramp so we can get access underneath. Okay. And I let it warm up for like 5 to 10 minutes. So the oil will be easy to come out while draining it. Yeah. And these are the tools that we need to use. We need a 14 mil socket, an oil wrench remover, and the filter is 21358 Pro Select from Napa Auto Parts, and we're using a 020 from Boss Lubricants. Of course, we need the flannel and the jug and oil pan. So we're going to put it underneath. So the drain plug is located here, easy to find. So you need the 14 mil socket, and then the oil filter is on the side of the right hand side bar there. You can see you can remove it by hand without removing the cover. Just turn it and it will go out. Okay, we'll start now draining the oil. We need to remove the oil cap so it will breathe easily and drain the oil. Remove the dipstick. I got the oil ready, 4.8 liters. Put the flannel. So once you're ready, you can just dip the oil there. So here's my rig, guys. So Go Oil Canada, mobile oil change here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. So everything's in there, oil. So you can book online at gooil.ca. And here now I have to get a flannel, small flannel. And here we can suck the oil or we can drain it. So whatever, we can make it easy, we can do it for you. Okay, we'll be removing the drain plug. Make sure no drip. Okay, while we're waiting, I'm gonna loosen the oil filter. Okay, so I got it loose. There you go. So it's, you can see, starts to drip. While it's completely empty, I'm gonna change the filter. Okay, so once everything's drained, I torque it with my torque wrench, 25 foot-pounds of torque. So I already put so make sure you clean, spray it with spray cleaner parts. Make it looks neat. Wipe it. Okay, and hang tight the filter. So everything's all there. It's done. We'll fill up the oil. We're going to fill up 4.8 liters of synthetic oil. Make sure you put the drain plug and tighten the oil filter, and you're good to go. Go Oil Canada, we provide mobile oil change at your own convenience. We'll come to your place to do the oil change. You don't need to go out for lineups. Filling it up. And we're almost done, so make sure to check the oil level. So level is good. We're all done. So we're done. We're gonna put the reminder sticker for your next oil change, and make sure to check if there's any leaking underneath before you everything looks good. Okay, we're good to go. It's done.